Do you know the missing words in these common English phrases? Take this quiz to find out. Hi, I'm Miss Sheerin, and I help learners improve their English in simple, practical, and fun ways. I make quizzes, lessons, and tips to help you feel more confident using English every day. Let's begin. Number 1. It's hard for me to stay calm and in tense situations. Again, it's hard for me to stay calm and in tense situations. It's hard for me to stay calm and collected in tense situations. If you're calm and collected, this means that you're relaxed and you have control over your feelings and emotions. Number 2, I'm getting better slowly, but Again, I'm getting better slowly, but I'm getting better slowly, but surely. If you do something slowly but surely, you're obviously doing it slowly, but you're still making clear and consistent progress. Number 3, the car has some wear and but it still works just fine. One more time. The car has some wear and but it still works just fine. The car has some wear and tear, but it still works just fine. If something has wear and tear, this means that it's been damaged from regular use over time. Number 4, when it comes to English pronunciation, there are very few hard and rules. Again, when it comes to English pronunciation, there are very few hard and rules. Well, when it comes to English pronunciation, there are very few hard and fast rules. A hard and fast rule is a clear and strict rule that is true in all cases. Number 5, I figured out how to do it by trial and I figured out how to do it by trial and I figured out how to do it by trial and error. If you do something by trial and error, this means that you do it by trying several different times and learning from the mistakes that you make along the way. Let me know your score out of 5 in the comments below and practice using these phrases in the comments as well. So, let's quickly review what we learned today. Calm and collected means relaxed and in control. Slowly but surely means making progress little by little. Wear and tear means small damage from daily use. Hard and fast rule means a strict and clear rule. Trial and error means learning by trying and making mistakes. Great job practicing these phrases. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new English tips and quizzes every week. Also, if you'd like to learn with me in a structured way, inbox me for more details about my online English courses. They are designed to help you improve step by step, whether you're learning grammar, vocabulary, or everyday communication. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. See ya!